Are you ready, Miss Molly? Got a job to go to. You ready? All right, push over. Come on, make room. Morning, guys. February 21st, 2023. This is where I got a call from a lady in a panic last night. She had a problem with her heater.
Turn right on State Road.
Told her I'd go by there first thing in the morning. And tried calling her in the morning, and she didn't pick up, and couldn't leave a message on the phone because all her messages are full. Anyway, she's calling me back now, and she's calm now, and she's still having a problem with it, I guess. I was over there last year, and what happened was mice had ate through the thermostat wire, and the thing was calling continuously. The thing was running wild. She had bats in the belfry over there, and I had to run new thermostat wire and a new thermostat. That was last year, and but anyway, she's home now, and I'm gonna go by there, and she must have just woke up because she's calling me back. I tried to call her this morning first thing early, but that's my mod. I always take information down. I'll call the people. If they don't pick up, I mean, they might have got someone else to do the job, or they're not home, or they're sleeping, or whatever. I don't go unless they confirm that they're there. Or she was supposedly leave the door open for me this morning, but I know who she is now that she's calmed down and talked to me a little bit. I know who the lady is. Said something about punching in codes or something, and I know she's got a it's a York, the pile of York. It's a piece of York over there, is what it is. High efficiency piece of York, pile of York. High efficiency furnace. And she said she changed the batteries in the thermostat. It might have just been that, but she said she did that. Anyway, we're gonna go over there and see if we can help out this damsel in distress. She's an older lady. She's probably about 70, maybe 68. Not crazy old, but I remember her now. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. She's not in a flippin' panic. It snowed a little bit this morning. It was raining, then it turned to snow, and then it's been flippin' warm here, so. Stylish this morning, Miss Molly. Looking very stylish this morning, Miss. Looking very stylish, Miss Molly.
Then take the ramp on the right. Turn left on Vaughn's Corner Wall Road, then take the ramp on the right.
You changed the batteries?
Yeah, I did change it.
I
don't care.
You bent the pin. See the pin there? It's bent.
Put a new one.
See it?
Just put the new one.
It looks like I straighten it out.
Put it in there. That's cute, though. Put a new one.
I could probably just straighten it. Let me try that first. Try straightening that first. And
You can put it in there.
what's going on with you?
Oh, what hasn't? Okay. I have a fracture in my back.
Oh, it's your back.
Yep, I have it right here. I have all kinds of stuff that I have to do that I have
And you
to
put
be
these
very-
batteries in. Let me make sure they're in there right.
Yeah,
see,
I
the
did
thing,
them last night
the
early.
thing's not even coming on, so
That's what I'm telling you.
the batteries. All right, so that might be what our problem is. Looks like you got them in backwards for one. The batteries aren't in there right. Last time I was here.
I'm gonna kill you.
Last time I was here, you had mice that chewed the thermostat.
That's right.
You remember
I
that?
Never had a problem again.
You had bats in the belfry.
Yep.
You had the batteries
What
in
we
there.
did
Now
was-
it's working. See?
I got that stuff.
Now it's gonna work.
Yeah, but
hopefully.
if it doesn't, put a brand new one.
Well, let me try. See if I can get it to work first. If it don't work,
Seriously.
then
At
we'll.
this point, that's like, I don't really care.
Now what about unknown landmines I'm gonna run into here with this?
Some what?
Landmines? The dog shitting on the floor? No.
Oh no, he doesn't do that. He's in my room. I'm gonna kill it.
Alright, so let's see if we can get this thing back in there proper first. That's in. Put it on heat. Automatic. And we'll turn it up. We'll see if it works. Heat.
If anybody can do it, it's you.
Heat on. So let's see what's happening downstairs. Might have just needed batteries.
That was brand new batteries I just put
Yeah,
in.
but you didn't have them in right,
course not.
and you had bent the pin.
Of course I did.
So you have to go easy with it. No? Having a problem? Bad day?
Let's see, it's about a year now. Yeah.
Yeah, you've been having a hard time.
A lot
huh?
of pain. A lot of pain.
In the back? Yeah.
A lot of
So
pain.
what are they gonna do?
Just let it heal on its own. But
Yeah.
it really hurts like hell.
Doesn't sound good.
It,
I just heard it come on.
yeah, I can hear it.
It just needed batteries. Told you that.
Of course you did. Oh yeah, I can hear it now.
It's working.
Sure is, I can hear it.
That's all it was. So it needed batteries. You pulled the batteries out, and you put the batteries in backwards, and then you didn't put it back in right. You bent the pin. Were you able to straighten the pin? Were you able to straighten the batteries out? And now it's working.
Okay. Take the dog with you. He's a very expensive dog. Take him with you.
What kind of dog?
Springer Spaniel.
Yeah, it's working. I ran a new thermostat wire last time. I could hear it running. Isn't it flipping? I can hear it running. It's nice and warm. Needed batteries. Batteries are only good for 2 years. That's exactly what the problem was. It's been 2 years. That's exactly what the problem is. The batteries needed to be changed. They're only good for a couple of years, the batteries. Can you imagine that?
2 years?
12, well, about a year, I guess. 12. A little bit over a year.
It's been 2 years.
Well, you might be playing musical thermostats with the batteries up and down, up and down, up and down.
Now I know.
Here, let me give her a slip, Molly. What is it, Molly? Looking very stylish today, Miss Molly. Looking very stylish. Alright guys, just left that job. Thermostat needed batteries. She tried to take the thermostat off the wall and change the batteries last night and put the batteries in wrong, and she didn't put it on right and bent the pin, so went over there, pulled the thermostat off the wall. I was able to straighten out the pins. A lot of times you can't, but I was able to. And put the batteries in right, and then reattached the thermostat properly, and the thing fired right up. So that's one thing about those the new thermostats. You're gonna replace the batteries once a year or every 2 years. Whenever it goes dead and you can't read the writing anymore, the numbers, it needs new batteries. So typical. I told her last time I was there how to change the batteries, but she's an older lady, and so unfortunately it wasn't my fault. I had to charge her for a service call. Gotta make a living too, right? So it's all part of it. I told her last night it's probably the batteries that need changing. I got there, it wasn't even that cold actually. exactly. It was like 72 degrees in the house, so. I mean, I didn't go out there in the middle of the night for something stupid like that. I would have, but it would have been time and a half. She wouldn't be liking the price. Anyway, that's the deal. Go to the next one.